Hello everyone, the Disney Price here and welcome back to another video. Today is something very special and I'm very excited for it. As you've probably seen by the title, it's a mystery unboxing. I have received this package in the post today. It's come all the way from Florida in the United States, so let's see what's inside. So let's take a look and see what is inside. I do know what is inside, but what do you people think is the shape of this? Well, it's something very exciting. We unwrap it. Here we are. It's the limited edition and only available to pass holders and people who stay at resort. The Grand Floridian Resort and Spa Magic Band. It is exclusively available to people who get free magic bands or get magic bands because they're a pass holder or they stay at a resort for whatever reason. And it also came with these pass holder sliders that fit on to the magic band, so that would be cool. And because we ordered it through Disney, just trying to hide the number there, I got my name printed on it, but here's just another look at the band itself. So you got Mickey Mouse there, and you got the drawings of the Grand Floridian. You got the logo, that looks very nice, and also a little drawing of the Grand Floridian. My brother got one too, but we both had the same design. Because it was so exclusive to pass holders only, we just had to get one. And I've also just noticed too, the box comes with your name on it too, so you know whose magic band it is. There's mine gone and there's my brother's. It also came with this pass holder thank you note, and inside it's got everything you need to know about your magic band, how to set it up, how to use it, where you can use it, so it's really good. So that brings an end to the video with my Grand Floridian pass holder magic band. I'll definitely be using that on our first trip back to Disney, whenever that may be. We still don't know. Coronavirus has just thrown us. We don't know what's going to happen. Might not be until 2022 until we get back to the parks, which is a shame. But our safety must come before going to Disney, unfortunately, with coronavirus and everything like that. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.